Alright, what's up guys? Mighty Machines. Today I just thought I'd show you guys some machinery that's at a construction site by my house. Got an old D8L and a John Deere 450D. I don't know if you guys can see. 450D. This stuff is ridiculously, it's so soft. But a couple dump trucks over there. Rode my mini bike here. Got a Komatsu, or however you say it. 61EX, got a Komatsu grader over there. Old Kenworth water truck. Another Komatsu wheel loader. And yeah. Got Nathan back there. Anyway, yeah. Pretty good sized wheel loader. That's a really big excavator too. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed and I'll see you guys in the next one.